So after watching a lot of videos on YouTube about dropshipping, I decided to start this business plan. Therefore, I grabbed $500 and started dreaming of making it big, making $1 million, making a course, selling it to you and becoming a millionaire and getting a Lamborghini, buying a big villa and doing a vlog from the Maldives. But it was all in vain. I ended up losing money. As I said in the very first YouTube video I put in this channel, I will be sharing with you my successes but also my failures. Therefore, I decided to make this video to share with you everything I learned about dropshipping. Just stay with me. I will also show you things that I am 100% sure other gurus or other people will not show you. I have really nothing to sell you at the moment. So I will give you everything I learned with this small journey with dropshipping. Just stick with the video till the end. Hello and welcome, my name is Joe. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Joe Becoming a Millionaire, in which I share my journey to become financially free. After testing dropshipping for 15 days, I decided to share with you this small experience and to tell you things you should know about dropshipping before starting it. This video is going to be separated to 5 parts. The first part I will give you a definition of dropshipping because I know a lot of people don't know what is dropshipping. The second part, I will tell you or I will show you the best way to do dropshipping, an example of the business plan. Thirdly, I will take you with me to my computer, show you my results, and we can analyze my results together. Fourthly, I will show you something that other YouTuber or other people who do like dropshipping videos won't show you. And finally, I will give you my final opinion about dropshipping. So let's get started. What is dropshipping? It's so simple. Dropshipping is being the middleman between suppliers and customers. What does that mean? It means that you will take orders from customers, go to a supplier and tell the supplier to send the orders or the products directly to the customer. So you get in the middle, you have to deal with both ends. You have to deal with the supplier part and you also have to deal with the customer part. As an example of this business plan, you can, for example, create a website, put some products in that website, promote it on Facebook. Then once you get some orders, you will go find the suppliers, but it is suggested that you find the supplier before you start promoting your product and ask that supplier to send the product to the customer address directly. Basically, you don't have to deal with stock, you don't have to have like a warehouse, you don't have to deal with shipping and all that stuff. It is easy, but it is complicated in other ways. The best example or the best way to do dropshipping at the moment, or the most famous one, is to create a website on a platform called Shopify, then go to AliExpress, talk to some suppliers about product, then ask the supplier if they have like stock, then you will put the products on your website with the description, then you will create a video of the products or a picture and promote it on Facebook with Facebook ads. Then once you get customer to your website, if they buy from you, you will get their address and their information. Go to your supplier and tell your supplier to send that product directly to the address of the customer. In most of the cases, your supplier is on AliExpress. One trick here, because of what is going on around the world, I mean the pandemic, AliExpress shipping is like taking a lot of time nowadays. So it is better to find a private agency or a private supplier who can give you precise shipping times. Even if you should find like suppliers in Europe or in US, which is much better. For this example, you will need a lot of things. First, you need money to buy your domain name to use on your website. Second, you will need money to buy Facebook ads. But actually, money is not everything you will need. You will also need time and skills. You need skills to write copyrights for your website or for your product. Then you will need negotiation skills to talk to your supplier, ask them to lower the price. Then you will need skills to make like a video that can sell and convert potential customers to clients. Then you will need skills to deal with complaints from customers and all that stuff. It's not easy. It is really complicated. I know that a lot of people on YouTube, they make it like the Cinderella story. It's easy. You take orders from customers, you go to suppliers, you send it directly. They don't explain to you what's can happen between all of that. For the time part, as I mentioned in my video about skills you should learn in the part about Facebook ads, I said that Facebook ads, basic of it is very simple, but in order to know what works for you, you have to put your money, you have to give your time and try a lot of combinations and know what can work, because what can work for a certain products will not work for other products. So now let's move to my computer where I will share with you my results for this small experience. But before that, it makes few things clear. In this video, there are two lies. I'm sorry. The first lie is that I said I tested dropshipping for 15 days or 2 weeks. That is completely wrong, because now I will show you the best 15 days, but in reality, I did it for like 40 to 45 days. I didn't get a lot of results before that, so I wanted to share with you only the part where I had the most results. The second lie is that I said I tried dropshipping for 15 days, which you can understand from it that this is my first experience, and this also is completely wrong. I did dropshipping for over 3 years. It is true that it is my first time doing dropshipping by my own means and my own skills, because in the past I worked for dropshippers as in different parts, creating videos, customer support, writing copyrights and all that stuff. But this time is the first time I'm doing it from A to Z by myself. So that's being said, let's get to my computer. Hello from the other side. It's the first time I think you are seeing me from this side, I guess. Yeah, it's the first time. So let's get started. I am going to look down this way because my computer is here. I hope you can see me very well. This is basically what you get when you start like a boutique or a store on Shopify. This is exactly the platform. You get a lot of parts here, like the parts, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, apps, and channels. Anyway, if you need like a full like tutorial on Shopify, let me know. I can do one which is a long version of this, because I will not even do a tutorial now. I will just show you my results. But if you want, I can do like a big or a long tutorial explaining everything about Shopify, and I may even like do a video showing you from A to Z how to create your store on Shopify. So just subscribe and leave me a comment below if you need this kind of topics. So let's get started. Let's get to the part which concerns us the most in this video, which is analytics. I will show you my analytics. Okay, let's do it. So here, as you can see, you have total sales, online sessions, which means how much people came to the store, then the returning customers, and also number of orders, average order value. And here you have the details about the conversion funnel, which is how many add to carts, how many reach checkout, how many sessions converted. So let's check for the last 15 days, which I am doing the video about. You can go here, then you can check what is last 15 days. It does have less. There is no 15 days. You cannot do 15 days. So let's do it manually. Today it's 24th. Okay, let's do 24th to 9. That is 15 days, right? Apply. So in 15 days, basically, I made $400. I know that a lot of you will be very like happy to make $400 in 15 days. But this is the part, the tricky parts that most like other YouTubers will not show you. They will not talk about this. They will just tell you how much money they made, and that's it. And this is what we call like finance illiteracy. You don't know how to calculate a lot of things about money, because making $400 doesn't mean that I have $400 in my bank accounts, because this means that I have to like take from this money for like my marketing, which is Facebook ads, money for the products, and also money for like the websites. That's it. Let's talk a little bit more about the details. So as a conversion, which is great, you will know at the end of this video why this conversion is great. I will precise that. I had like 42 sessions add to cart, 22 sessions in checkout, and 9 orders. The amount, or the how to call this, the average order value is $40. Returning, I had like 1 returning customers, which means that my website is working very well. I had 468 online visits on the websites. So that's it. I know that most YouTubers, gurus, they will stop here. Now I will show you what they will not show you. So bear with me. Again, bear with me. I always say bear with me. I don't know why. So bear with me. I will give you a lot of details that other YouTubers will never show you. So I have this file. This file basically is expenses and cash flow. I like to put everything, all the statistics, everything that I am spending. First of all, the domain name. I bought the domain name for $14. Then the email for the domain name. For example, if your website is bigdeals.com, then your email should be like contact@bigdeals.com. Then the first time I tested ads, then ads, you can see all of this is ads. Then the subscription for Shopify, I already paid $29, $30 basically. Why I paid only $30? Because the first month I didn't make any money. I was just testing. Then you will have the products, which means how much money I will pay like my supplier to send the product to my clients. Products 1, 2, 3. Basically this file is for the all they paid. I think it's 30 days or 40 days. Then I have again Facebook ads, and the price for the products, the cost, I mean, not the price. Then here I will put how much money, how much income I have. Then order 1, it was 39, 46, 72, 79, 86, and that's it. Then here I have how much money I spent. Basically this file or this sheet, I made it myself. So if you need it, or if you want to know how to make it, leave me a comment below. How much money I spent. This is how much money I spent. It's basically just the sum of all of this. It's here. Then how much money I made, which is the sum of all of this. It's here. Then how much fees I was charged by PayPal and Shopify, and this is it here, and this is my profit. So I didn't lie to you when I said that I ended up losing money, because I ended up losing like $53, which is not basically, it's not a big deal, but this is what other YouTubers will never show you, because most of them, they will have like 0 here, or they will have like minus something, but they will not show you that because they just want you to be blown away by how much money they made, and they want to sell you something, so they just keep it in here. They will only show you this. They will never show you this part. I hope you understand it very well. So basically, for myself and knowing dropshipping for many years, losing $53 for a website that's only have like one product, and for the first months it is like a big potential. This is a website that you can turn and make it and scale it and start making a lot of money from it. So I will keep going. I will keep going with this website. And again, if you need this sheet, or if you want me to show you how to make it, to calculate your cash flow, how much money you spend, to know how much fees you are being charged, and all that stuff, just leave me a comment below and I will do it. So now let's get to the last part of this video. I will be honest with you. I didn't make this video to inspire you or motivate you, or even to make you not want to do dropshipping. I am neutral. If you want to do it, go for it and start doing it, because even if you don't make a lot of money, you will learn a lot of things. Dropshipping necessitates, again with this word, needs a lot of skills, and if you can learn those skills along the way, you are the winner, because you need, as I mentioned, skill, copywriting, video editing, customer support, and how to talk to customers, supplies, negotiation, persuasion, how to create videos that can convert, and a lot of stuff. So basically, I cannot tell you that dropshipping is not working or dropshipping is the best thing you can do. Do it by yourself and test it, and you can make your own decision. The one thing that I should tell you is that you will not be successful from the first day. You can, but don't expect it. So give it some time and give it also some money. It needs a lot of money. It needs a big budget, not a big budget. I think around $1,000 is enough to start and test it completely. I myself, as you could see, I blurred the part that shows the shop name because I didn't give up yet. I still see potential in this shop, so I will try to either change it or to change it to a brand, or just keep going it as dropshipping. And just subscribe to this YouTube channel. I may do more videos about my results and what I did differently and all that stuff. And as a beginning, here are 3 things that I should do differently from now and so on, or things that I found out that I should change to get a better results. First of all, which I didn't tell you in the beginning, is that I'm using only PayPal on my store. In general, using only one payment gateway, PayPal or Stripe, can lower your conversion. So from now on, I will try to add Stripe also, so that people can also pay with prepaid card. The second thing is on the side of Facebook ads. I'm actually using only one creative, which is completely wrong. If you see like any tutorials, they will tell you to use a lot of or different creatives. So I will add more creatives to my ads. Thirdly is the budget part. As I mentioned before, I am using like $15 a day, between $15 to $20 a day as a budget. But I think I have to like increase it to 30 or 40 and try, especially that I am going to do more creatives, so I will try to increase the budgets. So that is everything for this video. If you liked this kind of topics, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, put a like, share it with a friend who wants to start dropshipping. I will be sharing more and more stuff like this, business plans, what I am doing, what I am not doing, how I make money, how I don't make money, how I sleep. No, the last one I will not do it. Maybe if I do a vlog, maybe, who knows. So that's it. It was actually very nice talking to you. Peace. Yeah, I know what you are waiting for. Coffee. No coffee. It's almost midnight. I have to sleep.